There is also software which allows for slow motion, and you can put the perfect model and your performer next to each other, so you can compare them and see what your performer's doing well and what they need to improve on. Makes it much easier to judge what's wrong with your performer's technique or what's right and what you can work on in training. Um, like I said, it gives us the problems with the performer's technique or their errors. However, the disadvantages are that it is quite difficult to do when the sport is live. So, like some sports, like 100-meter sprinting, is very fast and quick, and the person filming would need to know what they're doing, and they'd need knowledge of the sport, knowledge like technical knowledge. So, for basketball, say for the box out rebound, you'd need to know exactly what that should look like and what that is. Whereas, like, some people might not know that if they're just cameramen or just filming. Um, some, like I said, dartfish is quite expensive, and cameras can be quite expensive, like tripods to set your phone on to film. They're all cost money, so some local teams might not be able to afford that. Um, if you don't get the right angle, or maybe it's a bit dark or the lighting is not very good, you might not get very good filming or images, which means then it's hard to really like see what's right and wrong with the performance technique. Um, and quality can be confused with success. So, say you had a shot in football where it was a bad shot and it deflected in, then uh, performers are praised, but they've actually used a bad technique because the shot wasn't going to go in the goal. So therefore, performers think they're doing well when actually the technique is poor.